You got the WHOOP 5.0 or the shiny new WHOOP MG, strapped it on, and now you're staring at all those numbers like, what the hell does any of this mean? Don't worry, most people do the same thing. They wear it like a fashion accessory, flex it on Instagram, and get zero real results. But this is your wake-up call, because if you actually know how to use your WHOOP, it's not just a tracker. It'll literally show you how to transform your fitness, recovery, and even how fast you're aging. Yeah, that's right. The WHOOP MG doesn't just tell time, it tells the truth about your body. So in this beginner's guide, I'm going to break down how to actually use the WHOOP like the experts do. Step by step, what to track, what to ignore, and the secrets the experts don't want you to know about making your data work for you. Welcome to the Ageless Protocol, the rookie mistake everyone makes. Let's start with the first mistake. You think WHOOP is about more data. It's not. It's about actionable data. The stuff you can actually use to change how your body performs every day. When you first open the app, you'll see 3 main scores: strain, recovery, and sleep. That's your daily snapshot. But here's what nobody tells you. Those numbers mean nothing in the first week. WHOOP needs to learn you. So for the first 7 days, your only mission is simple. Wear it 24/7. Shower, work, sleep, everything. The more consistent you are, the faster it calibrates to your body. Think of it like a new friend. At first it's guessing, but after a week, it knows you. That's when the real data starts showing up. Before we dive deeper, an announcement for the Ageless Protocol community. Right now, members can grab a free WHOOP device with 1 month of full access included. It's the perfect way to test everything I'm about to show you without paying a cent up front. Links in the description. Step 1. Master the sleep score, your hidden superpower. In the first few days, you won't even get a recovery score yet. You'll only get sleep score, and that's exactly where you should focus first. Your WHOOP calculates sleep based on 4 key metrics: hours you slept versus hours you needed, sleep consistency, sleep efficiency, sleep disturbances. Don't obsess over deep sleep or REM. No tracker nails that perfectly yet. Not WHOOP, not Oura, not Apple. What matters most is the ratio between hours slept and hours needed. Hit 80% or higher, and you'll see your recovery skyrocket. Sleep consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time is your second weapon. Anything above 80% turns your recovery graph green, and trust me, green days are when your body feels invincible. The WHOOP app even coaches you. Every morning, it'll literally tell you, here's what you did right, here's what to fix. It's like having a personal sleep scientist living on your wrist. Step 2. Understanding recovery, the secret dashboard of your nervous system. After a week, you'll unlock your recovery score, the number that separates the fit from the faking it. It's built from 4 metrics. HRV, heart rate variability. Higher is better. RHR, resting heart rate. Lower is better. Respiratory rate, stability is key. Sleep performance. How you slept last night affects today's power. This is where the real insight begins. Your WHOOP doesn't just tell you how you feel, it tells you why you feel that way. Bad HRV? You overtrained or slept like trash. High resting heart rate? Late night pizza or stress? Respiratory rate spiking? Your body's fighting something. Maybe you're about to get sick. Once you see these patterns, you'll never guess again. You'll know exactly when to push hard and when to back off. That's what separates the athletes from the amateurs. You know what most people get wrong? They think training harder equals to better. Wrong. That's literally how you burn out, ruin your sleep, and destroy your gains. The truth is, your WHOOP strain score is not a competition. It's a map. It's your body's way of saying, bro, I can handle this, or stop before I collapse. And most people ignore it completely. Strain, the real measure of how hard your body works. Your strain score is basically your daily stress level, measured by heart rate zones. It's not just workouts, it's everything. your job stress, your commute, your bad sleep. It all adds up. Let's say your WHOOP gives you a target strain range of 12 to 17 for today. That's not random, it's based on your recovery score and sleep. So, if your recovery is low and you push your strain past that 17 mark, congratulations! You just trained against your biology. You didn't get fitter, you just trashed your recovery for tomorrow. That's why experts use WHOOP. They don't guess their training intensity, they plan it. Train smarter. Match strain to recovery. If your recovery is green, good HRV, solid sleep. Go all in. That's your day to hit the gym hard, push your lifts, do that Zone 5 cardio. If it's yellow, chill a bit. Stay active but smart. Focus on mobility, a light jog, maybe some Zone 2 work. And if it's red? Bro, stop trying to be a hero. That's your day for steps, stretching, cold exposure, not deadlifts. You're not being lazy, you're being strategic. This is how you train every day, like your body's in sync with your data, not against it. The dirty secret: overtraining doesn't make you tough. Most people wear exhaustion like a badge of honor. I trained twice today, slept 4 hours, and I'm still grinding. Yeah? You're also aging faster, ruining your hormones, and making zero progress. Your WHOOP literally exposes that lie. It'll show your HRV tanking, resting heart rate spiking, and your recovery in the red. Translation: your nervous system is begging for mercy. The smartest athletes don't push 100% every day. They recover 100% so they can push when it matters. Cheat code: use your strain to plan workouts. Here's how I use it. Strength plus steps day. Moderate strain around 12 to 14. Zone 2 plus strength day. Slightly higher strain, 14 to 16. Zone 5 plus steps. Day, high strain, 16 to 18. Rest day recovery. Focus, low strain under 10. Cycle them through the week. That's how you build muscle, boost endurance, and still recover like a machine. If you're natural, not enhanced, your body can't handle max strain 7 days straight. It's suicide for your testosterone and your joints. Your WHOOP will literally scream at you with orange and red warnings if you try. Strain is feedback, not judgment. Every high-strain day you stack up needs to be followed by recovery. That's how progress happens. Stress, rest, adapt. Your WHOOP is your reality check. Ignore it, and you'll hit a wall. Use it, and you'll make gains faster than ever without burning out. All right, we've crushed sleep and mastered strain, but this is where things get wild. Because the WHOOP Journal and Insights tab? That's where your real secrets hide. Most people skip it thinking it's just extra data. Big mistake. That's the section that tells you what's secretly destroying your recovery, your energy, and your progress. You want the truth? The WHOOP Journal is like a lie detector for your habits. It knows when you messed up, even when you don't. The journal, the mirror you can't lie to. Every morning, WHOOP asks you questions. Did you drink alcohol? Did you eat late? Did you stress out before bed? Did you sleep in your own bed or somewhere else? It feels boring until you see the trends. After logging for a few weeks, WHOOP spits out insights, cold, brutal facts like, when you have alcohol, your recovery drops 12%. When you work late, your HRV tanks. When you sleep at the same time every night, your recovery jumps 10%. That's when you realize you're not tired because of work. You're tired because you ignored your data, your body's truth in numbers. Here's what shocked me. Late-night work wrecked my recovery almost as bad as drinking. Big cheat meals before bed sent my respiratory rate and resting heart rate through the roof. Stress during the day killed my sleep quality, even if I slept 8 hours. WHOOP doesn't sugarcoat it. You can literally see your mistakes in red. It's like your body yelling, "Stop doing that!" And when you fix them, you will see green everywhere. Better workouts, deeper sleep, sharper focus. It's that fast. WHOOP MG and healthspan, the real age test. Now let's talk about the WHOOP MG, because this thing doesn't just track recovery, it literally tracks how fast you're aging. It calculates your WHOOP age, your body's real biological age, based on your heart health, sleep consistency, and training balance. When I first saw mine, it said I was older than my real age. That hit hard. So I started using my data like a weapon, cleaned up my sleep, fixed my training split, stopped eating late, and within a month, my WHOOP age dropped by 7 years. That's not motivation, that's proof. The hidden domino effect. Here's what nobody tells you. Every bad habit multiplies. You eat late, your heart rate spikes, you sleep worse, your recovery tanks, your next workout sucks, your HRV drops, you feel anxious, you crave junk, you repeat it all again. That's the cycle WHOOP exposes. And when you start breaking it, your energy skyrockets, your focus sharpens, your mood stabilizes, you start feeling younger. The final truth. WHOOP measures discipline. It shows who's serious about progress and who's just pretending. You can't fake green recovery. You can't cheat a good HRV. This device forces you to live like someone who gives a damn about their body. And once you see what's killing your recovery, you'll never look at your habits the same way again. If you're still sitting on the fence, this is your sign. You can grab a free WHOOP device plus 1 month full membership right now. Track your data, own your health, and join thousands inside the Ageless Protocol community who are literally reversing their biological age. Links waiting in the description. If this helped you, subscribe to the Ageless Protocol. We drop data-backed secrets every week that actually change your body, not just your mindset.